Furious star Paul Walker dead in fiery car wreck. Actor killed after post-GT driving by his friend crashed into a pole. Fast and Furious actor Paul Walker died in a car crash Saturday afternoon when his friend lost control of a post-GT and collided with a street light. The star's representative and official Facebook page confirmed his death yesterday. Walker, 40, was a passenger in a high-powered supercar when it spun out of control in Santa Clarita, north of Los Angeles at 3:30 p.m. The LA County Sheriff's Department has confirmed that two people died in the collision, but no names have yet been released. However, representatives for the actor have confirmed that Paul Walker, who is survived by a 15-year-old daughter, was one of the two men who died this afternoon. It is with a truly heavy heart that we must confirm that Paul Walker passed away today in tragic car accident while attending a charity event for his organization Reach Out Worldwide. Read the Facebook update on Walker's official page. He was a passenger in a friend's car in which both lost their lives. We appreciate your patience as we too are stunned and saddened beyond belief by this news. Thank you for keeping his family and friends in your prayers during this very difficult time. We will do our best to keep you apprised when we are to send condolences. Walker was an investor in the always evolving auto shop in Valencia, California, and was in the area for a car show to support Philippines typhoon relief effort. While the event, Walker and as yet unnamed friend decided to take a post-GT out of a spin before driver allegedly lost control and spun into a light pole. Witnesses at the car crash scene posted a video of the sight on YouTube. Following describes from the crash and emergency workers cordoning off area. Photographs from the scene show a complete wreck burnout shell of a car. This is the car during its blasting.